Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to understand the demonstration of online examination project using artificial intelligence and the Python programming language. So as far as this project is concerned, it's all about conducting online Viva or the oral exams using the AI tool. So here the machine is going to ask the questions and the user will have to respond to these questions, and automatically the machine will understand the user's response. Then it will evaluate that particular question and answer given by the user. Based on that, it will be giving us the score, and at the end it is going to generate the response or the report, which will consider which questions are correct, which are incorrect, and final score of the student can be calculated. Now, as far as this project is concerned, so now we have executed this project, and now we can just open the local host in the browser so that we can see the demonstration of this particular project. Now the new user can log in. So one more important thing about this project is that there will be a continuous video streaming as well, and inside that the face will be identified. If there is no face, for example, I will turn off my camera. So in this case, no face found, this kind of error message will be appearing on the screen. But if there is face, then you can see here there will be a face. Now the first thing is that you can either log in from here or you can simply go and register here. So for registration purpose, you will have to fill all your details: the first name, last name, then contact number, age, gender, and password. That is going to store your data in the database. Now the registered users, if you just want to log in, or if you're having the previous account, then you can simply go here and you can just fill your details, and with your details you can actually log in. So I am putting my username and password. Then I need to select the question bank. So for example, I want to give exam for the general knowledge, then I will be choosing this option. For example, if I want to give for C++, then I will be choosing this option. So this I will be choosing, and then once I select this option, now I can submit it. And once I submit, then again one more time we will have to submit the details so that the exam will start. Now, during exam also, your face will be continuously tracked in this particular window, and even here also, yeah, your face is not found, then no face is found. This is done for that. For example, during conduction of these examinations, the other student may give the somebody else exam. So for that, in order to avoid that, this is done. Now, first of all, there are questions here. Now you just have to click on the answer. And once you click answer to this question, the AI tool will speak this question first for you. And once it is audible to you, after that, you can answer this question. Now you can click on this question.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Okay, and then based on your answer, it is showing the matching score. If you want to correct this question, then again you can answer. For example, if there's something is wrong with this, then your answer. Then if you want to correct it, then you can click on the answer again, and then you will be able to answer this question again. Otherwise, you can click the next question. And initially, it just converted that thing into a speech, and it was speaking who is the Prime Minister of India. I don't know whether it was audible in the microphone or not, but initially it will speak. Now, next, we can click on the next question.
Which is the capital of India?
Delhi is the capital of India.
How many states India has?
India has 28 states. So the answer and its matching score with the original answer or the database answer is displayed over here.
When India got independence.
India got independence in 1947. The national language of India is Hindi.
Where is the Taj Mahal located?
Taj Mahal located in Agra.
What is the official name of India?
The official name of India is the Republic of India.
Which is the currency of India?
Rupee is the currency of India.
Which is the flag of India?
Tricolor is the flag of India.
Which city is known as Pink City?
Jaipur is known as Pink City. And then final result is generated over here. So at the end you can see this is the report generated. So first of all, this is the questions, and then the your answer, that means this is the answer given by us, and then it is just matching with the correct answers, and based on this it is giving whether it is correct, wrong, or not. So here we are considering if the matching score is more than 70%, then only your answer is correct. Otherwise, your answer is wrong. So based on that, it has marked the answers and their corresponding matching scores and so on. So that's all about the complete demonstration of this particular project. So in case you need the complete code and its training for this particular project, then you can check out the description box under this video. Thank you.